I'm doing mining right now. I have this sweater and this is for some. I got something. Look. This too. Look at these. I love rocks. Where's the bag? There. I'm so excited to bring these home. I'm putting these in my. I don't know how to put these. I got other gemstones from there. Now I'm like hitting this big giant rock. There's a crystal inside here. Get some sand. I broke it. Some sand. 2 more. I got a more.
Did you find anything, bud?
You found any? You find something? Oh. See?
जल्दी कनेक्ट करो चलो.
We're going on a train. It's a mysterious farm. We don't know what's in there. I think it's a corn farm, but yeah, we're going on a train. It's a mysterious farm. There's a farm everywhere. It's a corn farm. And look, I got some mysterious creatures. Mysterious creatures.
Oh, sorry.
Wow, corn out?
Yeah,
What?
this here.
Oh,
That's the John Deere tractor actually.
We're going inside the mysterious There's a mysterious
Wait,
I
Look
just
at me.
saw it. Hi. And it was a little bug. It was one right there. A yellow bug. Yes, I saw it. It's coming here. If I put my hand, coins are gonna come. There's a bug. I saw the bug. I saw the monster one there.
Which train is that?
Okay, give the water bottle back.
This small little boat buddy. See? Good job, buddy. She's hungry. Ritu, learn something from Bolu, buddy.
Okay, I'll do it.
No, you can't.
I'll do it this time.
Try other one, buddy. They are hungry too. Come here. She's full now.
Hey, Karane.
हाँ तो बताया क्या नो दिस
Sunscreen लगा दो वो.
How do you play this?
Hello, Demi.
It's chick.
Yeah, that's it. It looks like a buffalo. What about Chintu Monster?
He doesn't have that.
He doesn't have that one? Why, buddy? Why?
I don't know. He doesn't like.
Oh no. Me too.
Hi everybody, here's a water spray, see?
Wait.
It's so hot.
Oh no, Lily did it.
You guys in red
Great.
here. And please like and subscribe to our channel, Jess and Mernad. Bye! Oh.
Ditto.